we have a reaction coming in from Subramanian Swamy as far as the Supreme Court's judgment in relation to the arrest of those activists as far as the Bhima Koregaon case is concerned. Let's listen in.
Joining with me is Dr. Subramanian Swamy. Sir, another verdict from the Supreme Court, 4 more weeks of house arrest for those who were arrested.
No, they have said they will not intervene. They will not set up an SIT. I think it's practically a judgment. I don't think there's anything left. I think this 4 weeks more is basically to enable the Maharashtra government to complete its process of filing the necessary charge sheets and so on. I think it's another judgment. I agree with the Supreme Court. And I think they have very correctly said, is dissent to be equated with anti-national attitude? I mean, dissent, being against the country and want to see its disintegration is not dissent. I think it's a landmark judgment. I congratulate the Supreme Court once again.
So that's what the Supreme Court has said, that the arrest is not because of the dissent. So do you think that Supreme Court is convinced that there is some malicious attempt from these activists?
That's quite clear that the Supreme Court would not have said this, but for the fact that the facts reports shown to them by the Narendra Modi government were so complete and convincing that they chose to express it in this kind of legal language. I think because they won't like to prejudice the trial. If they actually said there is evidence, then it would prejudice the trial. So they have to say it like this. I'm sure that they are convinced that these people are indeed guilty, and I'm quite proud of my government that they have taken this step.
So this petition was filed by historian Romila Thapar. Now the accused themselves can approach the courts. So do you think what is the path for them to approach the courts, and how they can?
They don't have to approach the courts. They go and face the trial. They have direct access. The state is going to oblige them on that.
Subramanian Swamy there, BJP Member of Parliament, speaking exclusively to Times Now.